Hello! Today our review is dedicated to the Crystal Sound DR-R210 audio guide. Audio guides are used to automate individual group visits and multilingual tours without the need for a live guide. Hikers can listen to the pre-recorded information in the required language. Let's start with the features. The weight of this device is just 40 grams, making it the most compact and lightweight among its counterparts. It can operate independently without a charge for 80 hours. You only need to charge these devices once a week. The battery level indicator, located on the body, will suggest when you need to think about it. The audio guide is extremely easy to use for a tourist. Once you have received the audio guide in your hands, just plug it in the headphones. With the plus and minus buttons, you can adjust the volume, and to change the recording language, just press them together. To listen to the excursion, the tourist does not have to do anything special. The recordings are played automatically. In the audio guides, we use 32 gigabyte memory cards, which will be enough to record about 400 hours of audio content. If necessary, it's possible to change the memory card for a higher capacity SD card. Preparing audio guides for later use begins with recording the tracks and excursions in any number of languages. Just copy the prepared files in MP3 format onto the audio guide's memory card. If you don't have the recorded tracks available, you can record them at our studio using the professional narrator service. To automatically start the tracks on the tourist's devices, there are a few solutions. The first solution involves Bluetooth beacons. They are used in museums, at exhibitions, interactive displays, and quests. This type of beacons is autonomous and does not require an electricity connection. The charge of the battery lasts 80-100 days. The range of the beacon can be adjusted from approximately 1 centimeter to 10 meters. As soon as the tourist just moves into the coverage area of the beacon, the tour track starts automatically. At this point, you can install these beacons next to each object on display or place one or more in each room. And you can also compare them, giving each beacon its own settings. The second solution could work well for city tours, which take place, for example, on foot or on scooters. By bus or by boat, the person managing the tour can activate the necessary track from their smartphone, and the listeners with the audio guides will hear it through their headphones. This solution is practically universal. It allows for organizing group visits in multiple languages. The listener can choose their own language on the device by themselves. In museums, this system helps to control and manage the flow of tourists. And in the city, this way, you can organize tours following many different routes without having to change the settings of the application and the audio guide. And then this version is highly requested for managing interactive and immersive tours. And that's it. What headphones can be used? In our selection, we have single headphones and stereo ones, both disposable and reusable. We recommend using disposable headphones with the audio guides, as it seems more hygienic to us. On the other hand, reusable ones can be disinfected after use, just like the audio guides themselves. Single headphones will work better for city tours or in museums when the tourist also needs to hear what's happening around them. The stereo headphones, on the other hand, will provide a deeper immersion in the narration. Aside from that, the listener will be able to use their own headphones, so there's a connector, standard 35 jack. There are some variants of charging stations for 20, 10, 2 or 36 devices. They can be installed anywhere for simultaneous compact charging. All the audio guides are charged in parallel. This system is safer than the consecutive system. And even if you accidentally inserted one of the devices incorrectly into the connector and didn't notice, other devices will still charge. For mobile transport and at the same time, you can use a case for 20 or 36 devices. It's very lightweight, but safe and anti-drop. For more than 8 years now, Crystal Sound has been developing and producing audio equipment for excursions, the business world, and the study sector. Our managers are available to answer all your questions, and our technicians are ready to find a solution for any non-standard situation. Write to us or call us. Below this video, you will find the link to our website and instructions on how to find us on social networks. See you soon in the new reviews. Video